Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Myself Priyanka and you are watching Garden of Yum. So today we will make classic chicken pizza. So let's quickly see the recipe. In a bowl, add 30 ml of hot water. To that add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now mix it. Now to that add 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Dry yeast is readily available in the market. Now mix and then cover and rest it for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, the yeast has activated. Now to a bowl add 240 grams or 1 cup of all-purpose flour. To this add half a teaspoon of salt and the activated yeast mixture. Now mix it properly. And then add required amount of lukewarm water to make a soft dough. Now the soft dough for the pizza is ready. Now grease the dough with 1 teaspoon of refined oil. And then cover and rest it for 2 hours till the dough gets doubled in size. Now for the marination of the chicken, I have taken 200 grams of boneless chicken pieces. Now marinate it with half a teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of hung curd, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala. Now it is optional. If you have it in your home, you can add it. It will give an extra taste. Now mix it very properly and marinate it for about 1 hour. Now after 1 hour of marination of the chicken, in a pan add 20 ml of refined oil. Now after it heats, add 1 medium sized finely chopped onion. Fry till it changes to golden brown color. Now after it comes to brown color, add the marinated chicken. Now saute for 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame. And then cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes in medium flame till the chicken gets tender. Now after 15 minutes the chicken got properly cooked. Now high the flame and stir and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes take it out. Now to a pan add 2 tablespoons of refined oil. After it heats add the toppings for the pizza. 1 small cup of chopped yellow bell pepper, 1 small cup of chopped red bell pepper, 1 small cup of chopped green bell pepper, 1 small chopped tomato, 1 small diced onion, and then stir fry a little bit for 1 to 2 minutes and then take it out. Now after resting the dough for 2 hours, it has doubled in size. Now take it out in a plate and knead for 1 to 2 minutes. Now after kneading it for 1 to 2 minutes, sprinkle some flour to both the sides of the dough. And then just stretch it to the sides of the plate. Just give it a circle shape. Now you don't need any baking tray for this pizza recipe. We will do this in a pan. Now just make your sides of the dough a little bit thick. Now poke on the front side with a fork. Then add it in a pan Cook both the sides for 1 minute. Then take it out. Now to the front side, add the toppings. At first, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of pizza sauce. It is readily available in the market. I will put the link of my pizza sauce in the description box. Now spread it evenly. Now add half of the sauteed veggies. Now add the cooked chicken. Now again add some veggies. Now if your veggies get left, don't worry, you can use it in any curry. Now add some corns. Then add cheese according to your adjustment. Now I am adding 2 cheese cubes. I have used processed cheese as it is readily available in the market. You can use any kind of your choice. Now cover the lid and cook it for 20 minutes in low flame. Don't overcook, then it will become more crusty. Now I have used induction. You can do it in gas at the same time. Within 20 minutes the cheese will also melt. Now after 20 minutes, as you can see, the pizza is ready. Cheese has also melted. Now sprinkle some pizza seasoning and chili flakes. Now cut and enjoy it very hot. Now try it at your home with the same measurements and I am sure it will be super delicious. You will not need any microwave or any baking tray. So surely try it at your home and comment down below how it had turned out. Next day I will come with another delicious recipe. Till then, stay tuned with Garden of Yum.